Hey everyone, welcome back to FixFlow Tech, your go-to place for solving everyday tech headaches. Today we're tackling one of the most frustrating issues out there. When your Wi-Fi says connected, but you have no internet. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix it. Let's jump right in. 1. Restart router and device. First up, the classic fix: restart your router and your device. But here's the trick. Unplug your router, wait a full 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears out temporary glitches. While it's rebooting, also restart your phone or computer to refresh the connection on both ends. 2. Forget and reconnect network. Next, forget the Wi-Fi network and reconnect. On your phone or laptop, head into Wi-Fi settings, choose your network, and hit Forget. Then reconnect and re-enter your password. This clears out old saved settings that might be causing conflicts. 3. Reset IP and DNS settings. If that didn't work, it might be a DNS or IP issue. On Windows, open Command Prompt and type ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/renew. After that, type ipconfig/flush DNS. On a Mac, go into Network Settings and Renew DHCP lease. On iPhone or Android, toggle airplane mode on and off. This forces your device to grab a fresh internet address. 4. Update drivers and firmware. Still no luck? Check for updates. On your PC, update your Wi-Fi adapter drivers. Outdated drivers can cause random disconnects. For your router, log into its settings and look for a firmware update option. These updates patch bugs and improve performance. 5. Check for ISP issues. Sometimes, it's not your Wi-Fi at all. It's your internet provider. Use your phone's data to check if your ISP is down. Most providers have a status page or social media updates. If there's an outage, all you can do is wait until it's fixed. 6. Optimize router placement. If your Wi-Fi works but keeps dropping, placement matters. Keep your router in a central, elevated spot, away from thick walls, microwaves, and cordless phones. For larger homes, consider a mesh system or a range extender to eliminate dead zones. 7. Reset network settings. When nothing else works, reset your network settings. On Windows, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, and hit Network Reset. On iPhone or Android, look for Reset Network Settings. Warning: this erases saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords, but it often clears hidden glitches. 8. Factory reset router. 2. Last resort, factory reset your router. Use a paperclip to press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. This wipes all custom settings, so you'll need to set it up again, but it can solve stubborn connection problems. And there you have it. 8 proven fixes for Wi-Fi problems in 8 minutes. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick FixFlow tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.